Dear students, in this video we will discuss about class 8 grammar success with composition chapter number 2 special singulars and plurals. Okay, so if you have not watched chapter number 1 collective and abstract nouns, okay, so here just look at the screen. You can go to the playlist section and also watch. Okay, so here special singulars and plurals. So there are some nouns singular in form which are used in a plural sense. So here people always used in plural. Such people are. So here people is always used as plural. Okay. So here you have to use plural verb for people. So similarly poetry also always used as plural. The poetry are mine, not each. Similarly vermin. These kinds of vermin spread, not spreads. Then next here gentry. The gentry are. Okay. So similarly cattle are. These nouns are always used as a plural. So when people is used in the sense of nation, the plural is peoples, right? The world is inhabited by different peoples. So here people can be to here the plural of peoples when we consider in the sense of nation. The next here the following nouns have the same form for the plural as for the singular. Deer. Deer. This deer can run fast. These deer, don't write these deers. This will be wrong. These deer. Similarly, sheep. There is a sheep in the field. These sheep have not sheep. Here singular plural same. Deer, deer. Sheep, sheep. Dozen. Dozen, not dozens, because dozen already in plural form. Dozen means 12, right? I bought a dozen pencils. She there is wrong in the verb. She gives or she gave us 2 dozen pencils. Don't write 2 dozens. This will be wrong. So here score. Score means 20. Okay. She gave me a score of pencils. Plural. She lived for 4 score. Don't write scores. This will be wrong. Okay. Then 100. I have 100 rupees. They have 500, not hundreds. Okay. Singular, plural, same. Then 1000. Similarly, I have 1000 rupees. He has 3000 rupees, not thousands. This will be wrong. Okay. So here note. We can say as follows. I have been to this cinema hall dozens of times. Aishwarya Rai has thousands of fans. So in this case, we can use. We own hundreds of hearts with his performance. Okay. Some nouns are always used in the plural form. Names of instruments, objects which have 2 parts forming a kind of pair are used in plural, like scissors, binoculars, spectacles. Here scissors. These scissors are sharp. Okay, so here you have to write this pair of scissors is sharp. Okay, when there is pair is used, you have to write singular. So if there is scissors, then you can write okay are. The scissors are sharp. The scissors. So here just look at the screen. Some nouns have no singular form and only exist in plurals. They are called plural nouns. So here some nouns are also known as pair nouns. So just look at these examples. Scissors, trousers, spectacles. So these nouns are treated as plural subject. So they take plural verb. Like so here trousers consist 2 legs. Scissors have 2 parts. Sunglasses 2 parts. Pyjamas 2 part. So okay. So here you can write his trousers are black. My sunglasses are broken. My trousers are too long. Not easy. Okay, this will be wrong. Gloves are used by the wicket keeper. Binoculars are used. But when there is a pair that is used, so you have to use okay singular. Just look at this example here. Okay, a pair of something. A pair plus plural noun, you have to use singular verb. A pair of shoes is lying. A pair of scissors was, not were. Okay, so here this pair of scissors is sharp. Similarly, spectacles. This pair of spectacles belongs, not belong. Okay, so you have to use singular. When there is a pair of plus plural noun is used, you have to use singular verb. Okay, trousers are, sunglasses are, but a pair of sunglasses is, not are. Similarly, trousers. There is a pair of trousers, but trousers are. Clear? So here name of certain games, diseases, sciences or branches of knowledge which end in s are also singular and take a singular verb like measles, physics, economics, politics, statistics. Okay, so here just look at the examples here. Measles, here the noun ends with s. So don't use plural verb. This will be wrong. You have to use singular. Measles is an infectious disease. Mathematics ends with s. You have to use is not are. Mathematics is a talk subject. Mumps is a serious disease. Politics is a full of tactics. Billiards is an interesting game. So here the following nouns are always used in the singular. Furniture. The furniture of my house is not are. News is not are. Scenery is not are. Okay. Gavaskar played a good innings. Gallows is meant for the criminals is not are. I have received this summons from the court. So here summons, these nouns: furniture, news, scenery, innings, gallows, summons. These nouns always used in singular. There are some nouns which are either not used at all in the plural or are used in the plural in some special sense. So here. Okay, here just you have to remember all the rules so that you can get a complete idea where you have to use singular or plural verb, right? So here you have to follow. So here when we talk about a group of collective noun, it takes always singular. Here just look at the example. A group of devotees was. A flock of sheep was, a fleet of ships was, not were. Okay, so here you have to use a singular verb. Clear? So here choose the correct form of the verb from the brackets to complete the following sentences. The first one has been done for you as an example. The herd of cattle. So here this is a group collective noun, so you have to use singular. The first one is already provided. Then next, economics, yes, so this is a subject as we have already discussed. Statistics, mathematics, economics is not are. So here you have to use is. Then next, this pair of shorts. So here this pair. So if there is a pair of something is used, you have to use singular. This pair of shorts needs. Second one, repair. A disease like mumps. So here disease, mumps, measles, always it takes singular. Mumps is. The next here, mathematics subject here is not are. Mathematics is the most important subject for students. The next, a lot of hard work needs. Okay, uncountable noun here. So singular verb, hard work, this is uncountable. So you have to use the second one, needs, to be put in his project, in this project. The next here, all the furniture in the household. So as we have already discussed, furniture always used as singular. All the furniture is not are. Okay, is. The next, your information regarding Pratap's transfer was wrong. Information always used as singular. Was wrong. The next, Mohit's pair of shoes. So here pair, you have to use singular. Was stolen. First one. The next, this flock of birds. So here collective noun always takes a singular verb. This flock of birds is not are. The next, all the members of the family. That means it refers to plural. Have left, not has. The next, Milton's poetry is worth remembering. So as we have left this part, okay, try to cover this part here, poetry. Okay, there are some nouns which are either not used at all in the plural. Okay, so here Milton's poetry is. This pair of gloves, so here pair of something, you have to use singular, belongs. The next here, his pair of trousers is pair of something here. So you have to is not are. Okay. Tennis, this is a game, ends with s, but you have to use is, singular verb. Is played by men as well as women. The next, I bought 3. So here 3 dozen, not dozens. Okay, first one. Clear? The next, which of the two words given in brackets is correct? Strike out the wrong word and write the correct word in the space provided. So here he was fond of bad company or companies. So here this is wrong one. The first you have to strike out the wrong one, company. Okay. Then use the correct one, company. So here you have to mention company. Then next, the dash of the Himalayas is very pleasant. As we have already discussed, scenery, not sceneries. So you have to first try strike out. Okay. Then here scenery will be correct. Then next, dash were given to the poor. Okay. So here the answer. You have to first strike arm, and the correct one arms. Okay. So here you have to write correct one arms and strike arm. Then next, the hunter shot many, okay, many deer, not deers. So you have to strike, okay, deers and write here deer. Then next, rich make men proud. Rich make or riches, riches. So here first strike rich. Here the correct one riches. Then next, he gave her 500 rupees or 100. Yes, hundreds or 100. 100 not hundreds. So this is wrong one. Second wrong one. Not hundreds. So you have to use the first one 100 rupees. Then next, the servant did not tolerate abuses or abuse. Okay. Okay. So here you have to use abuse. So here wrong one abuses and correct one abuse. Okay. Correct one abuse and wrong one abuses. The next, all the mercenaries or mercenary, all the mercenary. So this is the correct one, and second one wrong. The next, she gave us a lot of information. Okay, not informations. This is wrong. So here the correct one, information. The next, thousands of people or thousands of people. So here you have to use thousands, not 1,000. Okay, in this case thousands can be used. Okay, so here the correct one thousands, wrong one. Here you have to use the correct one. Okay, thousands, and cross out, strike out 1,000. The next, dash are due to Minna. Who? Thanks, not thank. Okay, thanks. So you have to strike thank and tick thanks. Okay, thanks are. Okay, so here thanks. This is the correct. There is no mean or means. There is no means. This is correct. Wrong one, mean. Satish has joined a 4 week or 4 weeks. Okay. So here you have to use 4 week, not 4 weeks. 4 weeks wrong one. Okay. 4 week. Then next, he gave me a piece of advice, not advices. Okay. Advice. First one. Then next, the boys have gone to buy stationery, not stationaries. First one is correct. Okay. Here stationery. The next here, the king died without any issue, not issues. Okay. First one is the correct. Here the answer. This is the wrong one. Okay. Here these are the correct one. Clear? I think this video will help you. If you find any doubt, you can comment in the comment box. Okay. Thank you.